All right, we're gonna work on the paper that says piecework first. So, like I said, piecework is like when you get paid per item or per mile or something like that. That's like a rate. We're just gonna multiply this stuff together. So the first example is about a press operator or whatever at this machine company. She earns $1.10 for each mold she presses. What is her total pay for the week if she presses 310 molds? We're just going to multiply 310 times $1.10. 340. What'd you say? 341. So $341. Doesn't seem like a really good paycheck, but maybe this is an old example. All right, Carrie delivers newspapers. He is paid $8 for every paper on Monday to Friday. Right? 8 cents for every paper on Monday through Friday. That is not a lot. And then if he delivers, um, oh, and he gets 75 cents for every Sunday paper. What is the pay for 1 week, which he delivers 574 daily papers and 165 Sunday papers? So the daily paper rate is 8 cents times 574. That's pretty crazy. Any of you ever deliver papers? No? So for his regular papers, he gets $45.92. And then on Sunday, he gets 75 cents. So he delivered 165 Sunday papers. So 75 cents times 165. So $123.75. And then all we do is add those two together. That's not that much. But I think about like people that deliver papers, I think they can be like, kids on bikes and stuff. Like I always just imagine it's like TV. Some kid has a satchel of newspapers and throwing them out. But I don't think that's real. It's like the guy who delivers my paper is like huge in his tiny little car. It's really weird. All right, so delivering papers is obviously not a lucrative job, but it's better than nothing. You know what I mean? All right, so on the bottom of this paper is a table. During the spring, Nina assembles bikes at a dealer. She's paid $12 for each bike assembly during a regular work week, and $14 for each bike assembly on a Saturday, and $16 on a Sunday. What is their pay in the week? So these numbers are the number of bikes that she has assembled during that day. So you're going to multiply Monday through Friday times, like add up all these numbers, times $14. So 4 and 7 is 11, 6, 17, 27, and 36 times 14. Oh, did I mess it up? I'm sorry. I'm having a moment. I was here really late last night. It's weird. It's weird being at school at like 8:30 at night. 35 times 14. So $490 for the bikes that she assembled during the week. And then we got to figure out Saturday, which is at $16. I'm just kidding. Oh, you know what? I times 14. I'm sorry. It was 12. I'm really messing this up today. Enough for this video. Sorry. Oh, well. See, that's why it's important to be able to calculate your paycheck. All right, so $420 for the week. And then on Saturday, 4 times 14. $56 on Saturday. And then they assembled 5 on Sunday, and Sunday's rate is $16. So $80. So altogether we have $556. To assemble a Z bicycle. Make sense? Easy enough? Literally multiplying and adding, not a big deal. On the back side, we have a furniture store. You are trained to upholster couches, love seats, and chairs. You receive $105 for each couch. I'm going to do that. I'm going to set up my equation first. 105 for each couch, so I have 5 couches. Then I get 85 for each love seat. assembled or I reupholstered 6 love seats. And then I get $65 for each chair. And I assembled or upholstered 5 chairs. Add these all up. And I got $1,360 for all of these items upholstered. You guys get the same? Yes. All right, so the second part says if you worked 160 hours to reupholster all of these pieces of furniture, how much would your hourly rate be? We're just going to take this and divide by 160, and that'll tell us how much we earned per hour. Which is kind of scary. Not very much. So $8.50 per hour. If you figure that out. Sometimes I do that just to make myself feel better because I do get paid over the summer, so I'll like take my paycheck and then I'll divide it by the number of hours. So school I work and then I feel a little bit better about my job. And then right, does that make sense, everybody? All right, the next part is talking about salary. Salary, we're just going to divide pretty much based on the scenario. So salary is a fixed amount of money that you earn on a regular basis. You might be paid weekly, bi-weekly. That bi-weekly means every other week, so twice a month or every other. Semi-monthly, so you would be paid twice a month if it's semi-monthly or monthly. So how we're going to do is just take the annual salary divided by the number of paid periods. So the first example, they're a high school teacher and a soccer coach's annual salary is $37,440. What is his bi-weekly salary? So how many bi-weekly paychecks would you get in a year? 26, right? If you think about your weeklies, it's 52. Divide that by 2, 26. So there's 26 bi-weekly payments in a year. So 37,440 divided by 26. Okay. Although I will say when I started out teaching, I made more than that. $1,440. So that's what his paycheck is before they take out taxes and unions and medical and all this stuff. All right, Lorenzo is hired as an engineer. His starting salary is $57,600. What is his semi-monthly salary? So how many semi-monthly payments do you think there are? It's twice a month. Well, how many months are there in a year? Right, times 2, so it would be 24, right? Semi-monthly means twice a month, not every other month. Yeah, yeah, it's weird. So maybe if you want to make a note, like bi-weekly would be 26, semi-monthly would be 24. Yeah? I don't know about that. Like I get bi-weekly, and I get 26 paychecks a year. Semi-monthly is twice a month. And so his paycheck is $2,400 twice a month. Before taxes, of course. What's it say, Sophia? It's not really. Oh, you know what? My phone wasn't working either because I was trying to pull up the weather and I was like, trying to see if we were getting all of it. What's up? Oh, do you have bi-weekly? So if you think about bi-weekly, that's every other week. If there are 52 weeks in a year, that means there's 26 every other week. When you divide it.
So there's 2 definitions. It says occurring every 2 weeks or twice a week.
That is so bizarre. Well, for the sake of this course, bi-weekly is going to mean every other week. All right, Mary is earning a weekly salary of $521.60. She accepted an assignment in a tax department, and her new position will be paid an annual amount of $30,534. How much more will she earn per week in her new position? So this was her weekly salary, we're just gonna compare. This is her new salary, but we need to know what it is per week. So what are we gonna divide by? If I wanna know how much am I getting per week? It would be 52. And we're gonna round this number, okay, to the nearest hundredth. So $587, and what's my cents? All right, so that's their new paycheck. So we're just gonna subtract these and see what the difference is. How much more money is this person making? Make sure you put in your abbreviated and you don't subtract from the one you didn't round. So she got a $65.59 raise per week. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Okay, so if you do see bi-weekly, it is 2016. Any questions about that? Not on the back. Easy enough. All right.